What up, yo? We'll do a bike check. No, nobody asked for one, but I want to try to make some more videos to upload, so maybe I'll get some subscribers that'll actually watch. Yeah, this is my ride. Very nice. Got that riding the Kink issue V1, showing Sexton. The matching bars, the Kink Badger bars, 8x27. Got the Cult Vans grips. Very nice grips, although they kind of wear easily. You can kind of see getting a little. They're still good. Yeah, Cult bar ends. Don't matter. It's whatever. I got the Kink Bold. What is it? 53mm stem, top load, obviously. It's got hollow bolts in the front. Hopefully they don't snap and fucking bust my teeth. I got a Mission, just a Mission cap with like an Eastern headset. Just won these Fit Shift 2s at a local BMX jam. Fucking awesome. Yeah, I put in a raffle. Thought it was just for the frames. You know, some kid came running up to me. He's like, "Oh, you want some forks?" I'm like, "No shit, fucking sweet." But yeah, I mean, look at them things. They're fucking skinny as fuck. Pretty stiff though. I mean, they ride pretty nice. I got a Kink Lyra 2.3 tan wall in the front. Shadow Raptor hub with the older Shadow Roto rim. It's pretty heavy, but it's nice and solid. I'm probably gonna put some G-Sport roll cages, or either the roll or the rib cage. I got the Fiend, Black Cloud, JJ Palmier, and blue. They also got it in black. I was thinking about putting the black on, but it's whatever. I kind of like this. Animal Seat Post. I just got these JCPCs. They're fucking really grippy. Really like it. I've only gotten one shinner with them. It actually wasn't even that bad. I just got the 28 tooth Animal V3. So much better than 25.9. Just KMC 410 heavy duty chain. No half link. For a bottom bracket, I'm not sure what that is. Probably Eastern. Back tire, got a Kink Lyra 210. Pretty nice tire. A little bit skinnier because I can't really fit much of a fat tire in there. I can probably go like 2.20 maybe. I got the complete Shadow Stun rear wheel, 9 tooth. It's a decent rim, but it's a little beat up, kind of dented in some spots. Got a lot of hop to it, so I'm gonna put some. Like I said, I'm gonna probably put some G-Sport roll cages on front and back. For pegs, I got Animal Lino G, extra fat, extra long. I normally don't really, like, I just put the pegs back on. Don't do much grinding. Let's see, what else? I think that's about it. But alright guys, fucking rate, subscribe, peace.